Where's the B? Letter B. You see the B? No, that's Q. Where's A? A. Do you see the A? Good job. How about the Z? Letter Z. Wow, you're so smart. You're so smart, Mimi. Look. Look at Mommy. Can you say cheese? Can you see your teeth? Can Mommy see your teeth? Where does the Z go? Good job. So smart. Where's the S? Oh, right there. How about the O? O.
No,
S.
P.
P. Yeah, very good. Marley. Marley. Say no licking.
Nothing.
Okay, he listened. Shh. Where's the H? Mama can't find the H. Where is it? H?
No.
No? You done?